Hi everyone and welcome back to Maverick Tarot. This is the reading for the month of July. And first of all, I hope you guys are well and I hope everyone around you is well. With the times and the situations that is on, right, because of the energy of this year, there are a lot of disputes, there are a lot of warlike situations and calamity-like situations. So please take care of yourself and सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है अपनी एनर्जीज को अलाइन रखना, अपनी एनर्जीज को सेंटर्ड रखना, ताकि वी गेट सेव्ड फ्रॉम एनी काइंड ऑफ misfortunes or calamities that are happening around us. So more than anything, make sure you take time out for yourself. Make sure you are keeping your mental state in the most optimistic way that is possible for you. Okay? With that, let us begin with the reading for the month of July. All right. All right. जैसा कि मैंने पहले बताया, ये एक कलेक्टिव रीडिंग है, सो आपके मन में जो भी क्वेश्चन है while I'm shuffling the cards, you can keep that in mind, and whatever indications or hints that you get out of this reading, make sure कि आप उसे you are able to connect with it through your intuition कि किस चीज़ का जवाब आपको मिल रहा है, right? So let's take out a spread. All right. We have just come out from a lot of, Ten of Wands energy. Ten of Wands energy क्या बोलती है? Lot of doubts, lot of troubles, lot of challenges, lot of the times when you have felt trapped. ठीक है, actions नहीं कर पा रहे वाली energy कि you somewhere knew कि क्या करना है but नहीं हो पा रहा. So that kind of a trap feeling से निकल के अब हम transition कर रहे हैं into the energy of establishing a good foundation. We are changing into the Four of Wands, which is winds, which is something which has been troubling you from say for some time, is now set to reach a milestone. This could also indicate marriages. This could also indicate good business contracts. कोई भी ऐसी contractual चीज के अंदर enter करना जिसमें you are promised something and it is a very good foundation for the future. आपके आने वाले समय के लिए कुछ milestone ले करना, ये energy है. So moving from the energy of doubt and actionable चीजें पे काम नहीं कर पाने से लेके you're moving into a stable energy. So for a once straight away coming at you for stability, for marriage, for family matters, for children matters, for personal wins, for court wins. I can say for sure that this is one of the most positive cards when it comes to victory. ठीक है, and we transition into the energy of Three of Pentacles. ठीक है, Three of Pentacles again very good card in terms of stability. Three of Pentacles दिखाता है कि जब आपने इतना स्ट्रगल करके आप आए हैं और आपने इस तरीके का फाउंडेशन और माइलस्टोन एस्टैब्लिश किया है, तो आगे क्या है? When you establish a foundation, when you work towards what you really want, you connect with people. You get the opportunity to network with like-minded folks. जब आपको नोटिस किया जाता है तो आपके आजू बाजू वाले लोग जो उसी फ्रीक्वेंसी पे है वो आपसे कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. वो आपको they have praises for you, they have lot of admiration for you, for your work, right? So this card signals that there is a lot of stability, stabilizing energy, admiration energy, praise ki energy, certifications. If any of you is looking out for doing some professional certifications or personal certifications, very good time, it is encouraged. And Three of Pentacles suggests ki there is a mind body spirit का एक combination आपको करना पड़ेगा. when they say कि stability आएगी कैसे, तो इन तीनों elements को you have to win these three elements: your mind, your body and spirit. So work towards all of these aspects, right? We literally heard the tarot cards telling us a story that challenging times coming to an end, and the times that are now is personal foundations को create कर पाना, and that leading to something really positive, something really admirable, where people admire you for what you've been through, right? So इस तरह की energies है good time for all kinds of contracts and wins in contracts. So अगर इनमें से कोई भी reading जो है आपके साथ resonate करती है, if you're able to link something, if you're able to get answers to something, please do comment. And with this, I leave you with the reading of July, which is more on the positive side. And as I said, there are things going around, but हम जितना हमारे लेन में चलेंगे और हम जितना अपने एरिया में, आर एरिया ऑफ कंट्रोल पे फोकस करेंगे, हम जितना टॉक्सिसिटी को अवॉइड करेंगे या टॉक्सिक न्यूज़ को अवॉइड करेंगे, उतना हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा बेटर है. बबल ऐसा बना के चलिए अपने आजू बाजू कि यू आर इन योर जोन, ठीक है? एंड आई होप एंड आई प्रे दैट थिंग्स align for you really, really well. All right. So this is the energy of July, and I leave you with this. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.